Hey everyone, did you take notice that the weather's getting warmer? This is awesome because finally we get to go out on our front porch and talk about our neighbor Becky and judge her on all her actions. Also, I get to tell the damn kids to get off my lawn. To make this happen though, I need a drink. So let's make that. Martini shaker with some ice. 2 shots gin. A shot and a half of triple sec. One shot sweet tea vodka. Give that a good shake. Grab yourself a very nice front porch glass, something heavy because you may have to throw it later. Pour everything in. And top that off with tonic water. Get off my lawn, kids.